Yes, students, good morning and a very warm welcome to today's class. As you all know that in our yesterday's class, we were doing article writing, okay? So we have studied about the introduction, about the steps that we need to follow during writing the article and the steps and the body and the parts and the very important thing, the points that are to be remembered while you do the article writing. So we have completed that and along with that एक format वाला example भी हमने लिया था, right? And that example consists of what? It showed us the complete format of article writing, and the format includes what? What is the complete format of article writing? That is, first of all, there should be a title. Then after that, it's the time to give the byline, and both of them comprises 1 mark. That is, if you have a title, if you have written the byline properly, it consists of 1 marks. Then comes the complete content. In content, what is there? There's a little introduction in 1 paragraph, we can say. Then 2 to 5 paragraphs consist of the remaining body, that is the remaining matter and jotted down informations जो आप अपने article में देना चाहते हो. That includes the facts and the various information that you have collected from various sources. Okay. So all these organized in a very structured way, in a very systematic, logical way, it makes up your article. So the whole content consists of 4 marks. But now you will say that 4 is that one and 1 mark is of title and byline. Now, if the question is of 8 marks, then where are the remaining 3 marks? So for your information, I'll let you know that maybe marks division अलग हो सकता है आपके 8 marks का ना आए, आपके पेपर में 5 marks का article आ जाए. राइट सो एनीथिंग कैन कम. 5 का आ सकता है, 4 का आ सकता है, आपके आने के लिए 10 मार्क्स का भी आ सकता है. तो दैट डिवीजन विल बी अकॉर्डिंगली. बट यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट आर द फॉलोइंग थिंग्स दैट मेन एलिमेंट ऑफ मार्किंग इज गिवन टू देम. That is, title has its separate marks, byline has its separate marks, content has the separate segregation of the marks, and along with that, few amount of marks is also devoted to something, and that things are what? That there should be a grammatical accuracy in your work. The words that you use should be appropriate, and the spellings you use should be appropriate. Coherence, that whatever you write, it should coherence with the topic, with the title that you are covering in your article. Ideas should be relevant, and the style, okay, ideas should be relevant and the style along with that. The style in which you write, it should also match the thing that you are writing. Okay, all these comprises and all this together makes a successful piece of writing, that is article writing. Okay, now we'll move to the another example that we have of article writing. Now we'll take small little examples देखेंगे हम इसके. So see, now the next one is, many children get nervous before the board exams, which affect their health and performance. Good counseling is needed to help them overcome what is called exam fever. Write an article in 150 to 200 words or need for counseling before board exams. You are Malika or Mihir. Okay. Now ये होता है एग्जाम फीवर. बोर्ड एग्जाम फीवर तो बहुत स्पेशल वाला फीवर हो जाता है, वैसे भी बहुतों को एग्जाम फीवर हो जाता है. दोस्त जो बहुत ज्यादा स्टूडियस नहीं होते हैं, बच्चे जो थोड़े ज्यादा फन लविंग होते हैं, उनके लिए एग्जाम इटसेल्फ वो फीवर ही होता है. राइट. तो यहाँ पे अभी क्या है, द थिंग दैट वी नीड टू कवर इन दिस टॉपिक इज दैट वी कैन टेक द टॉपिक एग्जाम फीवर, और अलॉन्ग विद दैट हम एक और टॉपिक भी इसी मैटर पे इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं, दैट इज नीड फॉर काउंसलिंग बिफोर बोर्ड एग्जाम्स. सो क्या होता है, व्हेन अ चाइल्ड इज इन एग्जाम फीवर, तो उसको एक काउंसलिंग की बहुत जरूरत होती है. ही और शी नीड्स अ गुड काउंसलिंग बिफोर बोर्ड एग्जाम्स, so that this, we can say, this stress or this distress which is affecting their health and performance should not ultimately affect the examinations. So we are going to talk about that topic, and this ultimately is going to help you also, I think. Yes, so we were doing the topic need for counseling before board exams, and it's written by who? What byline में आप किसका name दोगे? Author's name. And who's the author here? Mihir, as given in the question, that is Mallika or Mihir. So you are going to write what? By Mihir, and girls can write Mallika also. So when board exams approach, schools work hard to prepare their students for succeeding in them. Extra classes are held, more assignments are given, and mock tests called pre-boards are held. But what may schools do not attempt in devising mechanism to de-stress the students by organizing workshops or counseling sessions. So see, आपको यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Counseling is your main topic and see how beautiful you have placed the introduction. That is क्या है यहाँ पे कि when board exams approach करते हैं, schools को बहुत work hard करना पड़ता है to prepare their students for succeeding in them. Extra classes are also held, more assignments are given to them, mock test conduct किए जाते हैं, those are known as pre-boards. Now, but जो एक स्कूल जो चीज नहीं करता है वो ये है one mechanism to de-stress the student, and that is organize workshops or the counseling sessions. आप workshops organize करो, counseling sessions organize करो. That is the thing जो particularly एक स्कूल के curriculum में नहीं आती. So they should do. That is why it said the need for counseling before the board exam. For this task, they need help of professional counselors. Such counselors identify students who are stressed and help them release the anxiety and fear factor attached with exams. Such students' anxiety level automatically starts building up during this part of the year. Okay, during this part of the year. And now we can say that the system has become so competitive that despite the schools not wanting to burden children and studies, they end up allowing the students to enroll for coachings and tuitions. Now the thing that has happened is that इसके लिए क्या, if a school wants to organize the, we can say उनको एक ये professional counseling sessions अगर करने हैं बच्चों के लिए, so for that they need professional counselors. Such counselors जो हैं वो identify करते हैं उन students को, those who are stressed, and they help them release the anxiety and the fear factor attached with the exams. Okay. So further we can say कि वहां पे क्या होता है, such students इनका anxiety level ना automatically build up होने लगता है during the this part of the day, and system has become competitive, और system बहुत competitive हो गया है क्योंकि despite जो schools हैं they do not want what to burden the children with studies, but still they end up allowing the students to enroll for coaching classes and tuitions. Parents, they can help the children in guiding them rather than controlling them. The following simple tips are there, and they should ensure a positive environment at home. Besides helping the children to balance the activities in the day, too much of studying is not productive. Providing healthy food and snacks during the day and making sure that the children they should be able to relax during the day, and ensure proper sleeping at night for him. Parents need to understand that they also have to sacrifice on outing or parties and be there when their children needs them. Stop comparing them with other kids and avoid these statements which create anxieties or fears. Parents must understand that exam is just what another event in one's life and not a monster or something to be afraid of. Now the thing is that parents can also help their children by guiding them rather than controlling them and following simple tips. They should ensure a positive environment. Okay? Positive environment ho, so that it should help the child to balance the activities in the day. Now, providing healthy food and snacks during the day and making sure that the child is able to relax during the day and ensuring proper sleep at night for him. Parents need to understand that they have to sacrifice an outing and parties. अब parents क्या है, sometimes बच्चों को छोड़ के parties में चले जाते हैं. So what they have to do? उन्हें sacrifice करनी होती है अपनी parties, अपनी outings, just for what? For the sake of children, because they should understand कि उनके बच्चों को उनकी जरूरत है, and avoid these statements जो बच्चों में एक fear या anxiety create कर दे. पेरेंट्स को हमेशा समझना चाहिए इसको, दैट एग्जाम इज जस्ट अनदर इवेंट इन वंस लाइफ एंड नॉट अ मॉन्स्टर. ना तो वो कोई मॉन्स्टर है, ना ही इट्स समथिंग दैट यू शुड बी अफ्रेड ऑफ. So after proper counseling by a professional, or you can say the parents taking care and understanding the children, can make this exam fever light on these children. तो वो इस चीज से डरेंगे नहीं, they should be not be feared of. So they will understand the thing कि exams क्या, it's just an event that is happening in our life, nothing more than that, and it's not a monster जिससे कि हम डर करके बैठ जाए और हम बीमार हो जाए. ठीक है, understood? So this is a thing that you should also keep in mind Now reading this article makes you also understand that you should also take exams. मैं ये नहीं बोल रही कि आप exams को बिल्कुल lightly ले लो. No, you should study hard. You have to do a lot of practice. You have to put in your 110% efforts to be successful in your exams. But the thing is, making it a monster for you is something very difficult. Yes, so isn't it a very nice thing that you should also take up in you? आपको भी इस चीज को समझना चाहिए. You should understand कि ये क्या हो रहा है, right? कि हमें भी क्या करना है. हम ऐसे ही घबरा जाते हैं, डर जाते हैं with exams, तो हमें वो चीज नहीं करनी है. What we have to do, हमें proper sleep लेनी है before the day of our exam. आराम से सोना है. We have to eat healthy food खाएंगे, so हम बहुत healthy रहेंगे. So body, mind and soul, everything is healthy when you eat healthy. So अगर हम healthy रहेंगे ना, तो हमारे अंदर anxiety, fear ये चीज नहीं आती. We'll be very hale and hearty whole day and we'll study. and कैसे पढ़ लेंगे, कैसे पेपर दे आएंगे, we do not know. ठीक है. So don't be afraid of your exam. So I hope इतनी ये चीज करने के बाद में I think this article itself is a counseling for you. मैंने आपकी counseling कर ही दी है. So now just let the exam fever away. Be cool, be calm, study hard, work hard, put in all your efforts and see where the success will take you. Okay? Chalo, good. Now we'll move to the second one. Second one is also a very important topic. You are Samir or Samira, a student of class 11th A. Okay. Clean drinking water is important for health. We all know that साफ सुथरा पानी is very important. हल्की सी smell भी हो glass में तो we are not able to drink it. And you know that water, how important it is. The main content जो हमारी body में है किस चीज का, वो क्या है, water. And once the whole water is drained out, हम लोग drips पे चले जाएंगे, right? क्योंकि बॉडी को तो पानी चाहिए, वो तो बिल्कुल एनर्जी खत्म हो जाएगी, डिहाइड्रेट हो जाएगी बॉडी. सो वाटर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड दैट टू, आप गंदा पानी पियो, बीमार हो जाओगे, लॉट ऑफ इन्फेक्शंस विल कैच यू. ठीक है. सो द थिंग इज दैट वाटर शुड बी क्लीन. Either you drink it or you use it. So it's important that a clean drinking water is important for health. Write an article. Now what you have to do, write an article in 150 to 200 words for your school magazine about the importance of clean drinking water for healthy life. Now article लिखना है आपको 150 to 200 words में for your school magazine. Okay, now this you are writing for what? For your school magazine about importance of clean drinking water for a healthy life. And the topic is what? That clean drinking water for healthy life. Okay, now the topic is clean drinking water important for health by Samira, class 11th A. So whatever byline is given to you, आप वो byline use कर दो. So see, we are well aware how important clean drinking water is for a healthy life. It should be particularly free from any contamination with sewerage water, as this cause a variety of waterborne diseases. These can be typhoid, cholera, dysentery if contaminated water is consumed. In serious cases, this may result in long-term diseases like jaundice. No wonder that many suppliers of water make a living out of this. A water supply organization like the Jal Board and municipalities should ensure that clean drinking water is supplied to all homes through a water pipeline connections. Any leakage in the pipeline must be repaired without delay to prevent the contamination. Under no circumstances should sewerage water be allowed to mix with water going to the household taps. The filtration plants of the water supply utilities must function properly and their storage tanks must be cleaned periodically to ensure that the consumers of the water do not fall ill. Let us all join to help them in this noble endeavor. Now it's a very important thing. हमें पता है that we all are very well aware that how important clean drinking water is for what? Is for a healthy life. It should be what? It should be particularly free from any contamination with the sewerage water. And now we know that as this can cause a variety of waterborne disease. बहुत पानी से, गंदे पानी से जुड़ी हुई जो diseases होती है ना, it can spread all those diseases. And these can be, वो क्या diseases हो सकती हैं? It can be typhoid, it can be cholera, ठीक है? It can be typhoid, it can be cholera. It can be dysentery, जैसे हमारे हो जाता है ना, dehydration हो जाता है, that itself, vomitings, loose motions and everything, stomach ache, stomach infection. that all together comprise dysentery. अगर contaminated water consume किया जाता है, and in serious cases this may result in long term diseases. अगर serious cases में infection बहुत ज़्यादा grow हो गया ना, and if it reaches to a very typical and very, we can say, a delicate organ of your body, so it can create a long term disease also. अब वो लॉन्ग टर्म डिजीज कैसे क्या होती है, जैसे जॉन्डिस जिसको आप पीलिया बोल देते हो, है ना, वो पीलिया कैसे होता है, गंदे वाटर से, बेसिकली ड्रिंकिंग कंटेमिनेटेड वाटर लीड्स टू जॉन्डिस. नो वंडर बहुत से सप्लायर्स हैं ऐसे वाटर के, दे मेक अ लिविंग आउट ऑफ दिस. नाउ जो हमारी वाटर सप्लाई ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस है, लाइक द जल बोर्ड्स, लाइक द म्यूनिसिपल्स, दे शुड इंश्योर कि लोगों के घरों तक, टैप्स तक जो पानी पहुंच रहा है ना, it should reach the clean drinking water and it should be supplied to all the homes through what? Through water pipeline connections. And if by chance there is any leakage in the pipeline, it must be repaired without a delay, just to prevent the contamination. Okay? Now, under no circumstances should sewer water be allowed to mix with water going to the household taps. Now, किसी भी circumstance पे सीवरेज वाटर को नहीं अलाउ करना है. It should not be allowed कि वो household taps तक पहुंचे, being mixed in the clean drinking water. Filtration plants of water supply जो है, filtration plants जो है water supply के, utilities के, must function properly. They must function properly, and the storage tanks must be cleaned periodically. And the tanks where the water is stored, they should be cleaned properly. Regularly, they should be cleaned. Periodically, just to ensure that consumers तक जो पानी पहुंच रहा है उसको पीने के बाद में they do not fall ill, वो बीमार ना हो जाए. Let us all join to help them in this noble endeavor. So now let us all join to help them in this noble endeavor, means this noble undertaking जो हम ले रहे हैं, the noble undertaking of what? Of supplying the clean drinking water towards what? For that is important for the health of the people. So it should reach the people in a very clean way and in a very systematic way. Okay? Understood? Now see, we cannot imagine life without our mobile phones. Yes, this is another very important thing. ये टॉपिक पढ़ने में सबको मजा आने वाला, राइट? जस्ट रेज योर हैंड्स इफ एवरीबडी इज गोइंग टू एंजॉय दिस टॉपिक. I think it's related to mobile. Haan, see, Amna, the first one to enjoy it. See, look, all the people. Everybody is going to enjoy this a lot, right? I knew you very well now. बहुत अच्छे से समझने लगी हूँ मैं आपको. ये अब मजेदार टॉपिक तो यह है, पानी से क्या लेना देना. सरकार कैसा भी पानी भेज दे, हमारा आरओ तो साफ कर ही देगा. बट yes, when it comes to the gadgets in our life, oh yes, mobile phones, neck bands, and along with that we can say कि और क्या क्या चीजें आ गई हैं, the airports, the mobile phones, the laptops, the tablets, so many things, है ना. So the role of modern gadgets in our life, we just cannot do what? We cannot imagine life without our mobile phones. हम अपनी life imagine ही नहीं कर सकते without the mobile phones. Okay, so see, TV sets and other modern gadgets. Write an article on role of modern gadgets in 150 to 200 words. You are Rishi and Rashi. So now you are byline में आपको क्या लिखना है? Either Rishi or Rashi. So now you all know that we just cannot imagine our life without our mobile phones. Mobile phones के बिना life imagine भी कर सकते हो? No. TV sets and other modern gadgets also are too important for us. So we have to write an article on role of modern gadgets. So see, now the topic is role of modern gadgets in our life by Rishi. It is difficult to imagine a life without modern gadgets. Gadgets are electronically simplified applications that have been designed to make our life simple and convenient. The gadgets over the year have gained so much popularity and wide use that today they have become an integral part of our lives. And it is difficult to go through a day without the help of these gadgets. Every day, new gadgets are launched in the market with the sole purpose of serving us, and we become proud to own a few of these. Gadgets are very important for a modern family where both husband and wife are working and do not have much time in their disposal. Gadgets come to their rescue and saves a lot of time. On the flip side, gadgets are responsible for making people engrossed in them and forgetting social etiquettes. Today, we find that teens go berserk over the gadgets, and whenever they find something new, they don't get peace till they are able to check out the features in it. It is good to use gadgets in our life, but to a certain limit only. And everyone must spend some quality time with the family members instead of being engrossed in mobiles or watching TV. Now we know that it is really difficult to imagine a life. किसके बिना life imagine करना मुश्किल है without the modern gadgets. We all know that gadgets electronically simplified applications हैं जिन्हें डिजाइन किया जाता है just to make our life simple and convenient. ये जो गैजेट्स है ना ओवर द इयर्स इन्होंने इतना इंपॉर्टेंस गेन किया है, इतनी पॉपुलैरिटी गेन की है, एंड अलोंग विद दैट वाइड यूज आल्सो दैट टुडे they have become an integral part of our lives. And you know what, it is difficult to go through a day without helping of these gadgets. Every day कोई ना कोई न्यू गैजेट लॉन्च होता रहता है मार्केट में, और एंड द सोल पर्पस ऑफ व्हाट, सर्व अस, हमारे वर्क को इजी करना, हमें सर्व करना. And we became proud to own a few of these. Gadgets are very important for a modern family, and where both the husband and wife are working and they do not have much time at their disposal, gadgets उनके लिए क्या बन जाता है, rescue, and it saves a lot of their time. Now on the flip side, other sides, like everything has similar to the two sides of a coin. So it also, this topic also has a flip side. Now what the flip side says, it says that gadgets are responsible for what? For making people engrossed in them. People उसमें engrossed हो जाए and forgetting social etiquettes, और social etiquettes को भूल जाओ. Today we find that teens go berserk over the gadgets, and whenever they find something new, they do not get peace till they are able to check out the features in it. It is good to use gadgets in our life, but to a certain limit only. So ये flip side क्या बोलते हैं कि gadgets responsible हैं people को, उन्होंने engross कर दिया है people को उनमें, and people अपने social etiquettes भूल गए हैं. आज हम देखते हैं द टीन, जो टीन एज चिल्ड्रन होते हैं, दे कंटिन्यूसली ना वो बर्सअप करते रहते हैं. बर्सअप कहने का मतलब दे आर कंटिन्यूसली एंग्रोस्ड इन व्हाट, एंग्रोस्ड ओवर द गैजेट्स. एंड अलोंग विद दैट whenever they find something new, कुछ भी उनको नया मिल जाता है ना, they don't get peace जब तक कि वो उसके सारे के सारे फीचर्स जो होते हैं वो नहीं पता कर लें, तो वो क्या है, वो बिल्कुल पागल हो जाते हैं. जस्ट गेट क्रेजी ओवर दीज थिंग्स. एंड इट इज गुड कि हम गैजेट्स यूज करते हैं इनकी लाइफ में, बट इट शुड बी टू अ सर्टेन लिमिट. एवरीथिंग इज लिमिट तक ही अच्छी है, बियॉन्ड लिमिट कहते हैं ना, एक्सेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग इज बैड. सो एक्सेस तो आप अगर मॉडर्न गैजेट्स का भी अपनी लाइफ में ले आओगे, it's going to give you the negative and the ill effects also. Okay, and everyone must spend some quality time with family members instead of being engrossed in mobiles or watching TV. This happens at present. हम जैसे ही फ्री होते हैं, we are busy in our mobile phones, our Instagrams, our Facebooks, our WhatsApp, and the games we are engrossed in nowadays. जो बहुत ऐसे games हो गए that हम खाना पीना भी भूल जाते हैं just because of those games. So all these things ना, ये जितनी भी हैं, हमें ध्यान रखना चाहिए that we should at least spend some quality time with the family members, जो कि आजकल नहीं होता है. ठीक है? So instead of being engaged and engrossed in these mobiles or watching TV, we should spend some time with our families. So wasn't it a very interesting topic? Yes or no? I hope yes, it was an interesting topic. Yes, it was. Okay, so now the last one is, every activity that man indulges in creates pollution and waste of some kind. In fact, the need of the hour is to reduce pollution in all possible ways. Write an article on the topic reducing pollution, need of the hour, in 150 to 200 words. You are Vrinda, an environmentalist. Okay, so every activity जिसमें एक man indulged होता है ना, in, ठीक है, वो क्या करती है, it creates pollution and a waste of some kind. So in fact, जो need है of the hour is what? Is to reduce what? Is to reduce the pollution in all possible ways. Write an article on the topic reducing pollutions, need of the hour, in 150 to 200 words. You are Vrinda, an environmentalist. So I'm going to read it. Reducing pollution, need of the hour, by Vrinda, the environmentalist. Okay. Pollution is contamination of land, water, and air. It is increasing daily due to human activities performed in day-to-day life in order to live conveniently. But this gradually leads to dangerous depletion of environment. Plastic used by man is a big nuisance because it causes pollution. Plastic never decays. If we burn it, it pollutes the air we breathe. If we dump it in rivers or seas, it pollutes the water and kills marine life. Chemical fertilizers are another source of pollution of land and water. In order to check pollution, the polluted effluents from factories should be treated suitably before being disposed of in water bodies. So plastic and other materials should be recycled wherever it's possible. New techniques should be adopted in motor vehicles to reduce pollution from engine exhaust. We should use environmentally safe cleaning liquids for use at home and other public places. To trap the solid particulate matter emitted by the chimneys, appropriate filters should be used, lofty smokestacks should be built, gases should be discharged through the exhaust pipes higher in the air, chemical industries जो हैं should be allowed to set up on the banks of the river. In view of great danger to mankind, many countries in the world जो है ना, including our India, have to pass laws to prevent pollution. But it has been the anti-pollution laws are not being obeyed rigorously, pushing pollution up to the new level. Okay, so pollution is what? It's contamination of land, water, and air. It's continuously increasing. It's going to destroy and decay the environment. In order to check pollution, what steps we should take to trap this solid particulate matter? What steps we can take? That हमें smokestacks बनाने चाहिए, chimneys में appropriate filters use करने चाहिए, gases को exhaust pipes के through outlet करो, that pipe should be in a higher in the air so that कि क्या है आपके atmosphere वाला जो एक layer आती है वहां पे कम से कम discharge हो इन gases का. Chemical industries जो है उन्हें build करना चाहिए हमें on the banks of the rivers. ठीक है, तो ये सारी चीजें हमें ध्यान में रखनी है. एंड इन द व्यू ऑफ ग्रेट डेंजर टू मैनकाइंड दैट द पोल्यूशन इज क्रिएटिंग, मेनी कंट्रीज इन दिस वर्ल्ड इवन इंक्लूडिंग इंडिया, उन्होंने बहुत से ऐसे लॉज पास किए हैं टू प्रिवेंट द पोल्यूशन. बट वी कैन से दैट इट हैज बीन सीन कि जो एंटी पोल्यूशन लॉज है ना, दे आर नॉट बीइंग ओबेड रिग्रेसली, पुशिंग पोल्यूशन अप टू द न्यू लेवल पे पहुंचता जा रहा है पोल्यूशन. सो वी शुड टेक केयर ऑफ इट. Okay, so this was reducing pollution. Need of the hour is a title. Byline में the name is given to you, Brinda. You are an environmentalist, so you will write this in the byline. And after that, you can see 2 to 5 paragraphs की range होती है, including the introduction paragraph. So हाँ, conclusion paragraph and the body content paragraph. पूरा content हमारा it's written over here in 4 paragraphs. So it's sufficient. Word limit 150 to 200 words. It's amazing and a nice fact and matters and information have been provided in all the examples that we have read today. Okay, so this is all we can say for our class today. So I'll be sending you the questions in as a homework to you to write an article on 2 important topics that you can complete, and just click the images and send it to me. Okay, chalo, have a nice day.